Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Let's analyze the markets for tomorrow and understand where support and resistance is for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's start off with Nifty first. Nifty gave a gap down opening directly below 21,500 support level, where we saw a sharp fall in the first 45 minutes until Nifty took support somewhere around 21,300 and gave a sharp reversal. But Nifty couldn't close its gap and even sustain about 21,500. It gave a closing somewhere around 21,470. If you look at Nifty's OI, Nifty's today's weekly expiry OI closed at 21,450 with huge amount of put writing. If you look at the PCR, after yesterday's bearishness, it's been changed. There is a change of character in PCR as well, where it's now at 1.2, which suggests good bullish sign. If you look at next week's expiry, even though Nifty has closed below 21,500, there is good amount of put writing at 21,500, which suggests that in the coming session, Nifty may trade above 21,500, and even though if there is some kind of retest, it could take support at 21,500. On the downside, 21,400 and 21,300 are major supports. On the higher side, 21,600 and 21,700 will act like resistances in the coming session. If we come back to our charts and analyze, if Nifty opens somewhere between 21,500 and 21,400, this would be a no trading zone. If Nifty opens flat, sustains for a while and then gives a breakout, we could see Nifty closing its gap 60-70 points above and take, if it comes down, then we could see it take support somewhere around 21,500 and move even further till its next resistance at 21,700. On the downside, if Nifty breaks below 21,400, then we could see Nifty testing its level at 21,300, where we saw a sharp reversal from. If we move on to Bank Nifty's chart, Bank Nifty was more bullish in the first half of the trading session than Nifty, where we saw Bank Nifty close its gap, but it couldn't sustain after closing, couldn't take support somewhere around couldn't take support at 46,000, and we saw a sharp reversal where Bank Nifty came down to its today's intraday low and gave closing somewhere around 45,700 after taking support at 45,500. If you look at Bank Nifty's OI, now Bank Nifty's OI, there is good amount of put writing at 46,000, even though Bank Nifty is trading at 45,700. So this suggests another bullish signal or bullish sentiment in the market in Bank Nifty. On the downside, 45,500 and 45,000 are looking like support levels, and 46,500, the next bearish resistance is at 46,500. If you look at our chart, now if Bank Nifty opens somewhere in between 45,800 and 45,500, this would be no trading zone. Until Bank Nifty sustains for a while and gives a breakout, we could see it rallying till 46,400 or 46,500. On the downside, if Bank Nifty sustains near the support or near 45,500 and gives a breakdown, then there is a direct support near 45,200 and 45,000. But if Bank Nifty gives a gap up opening somewhere around 46,000, we could see Bank Nifty taking support somewhere around 45,900 or 45,800 and again move upside to its next resistance. Similarly, on the downside, if Bank Nifty directly gives a gap down below today's intraday low, then we could see this level 45,500 level acting like a resistance, and we could see Bank Nifty move even down, even lower, where more sellers would be triggered or more sellers would enter the market. So this will be our analysis for tomorrow. Thank you.